I'm Anna Grace E. Buntog, and this is my partner.
I'm Glazer Shane Magsepo.
In this evening, we will be interviewing Ms. Maricel Gonzalez, a customer representative. We will be discussing about how culture influences businesses, especially in communication, customer interactions, and workplace norms. We prepared 5 questions for you.
Thank you, Ms.
for this
Maricel, for joining us this
interview.
evening. Let's get started.
Cultural influence on businesses. In your experience, how does the local culture shape CSR initiatives on businesses, and how do companies ensure these initiatives align with the community values?
In my experience, local culture plays a crucial role in shaping how customer service agents interact with clients. Culture influences communication styles, expectations around politeness, problem solving approaches, and even perceptions of professionalism.
Second question is, when working in a culturally different environment, what strategies have you found most effective in implementing CSR programs that are both ethical and well received?
When working in a culturally different environment, I've found that the most effective strategy for implementing customer service programs is to start by listening and learning from local perspectives before trying to lead or standardize.
Personal experience, can you share a time when cultural differences impacted a CSR project you were involved in, and how you navigate the situation to ensure its success?
While working as part of a customer service team for a global tech company, I was involved in a project aimed at improving customer satisfaction scores across different regions, including North America, Europe, and of course Southeast Asia. Our initial strategy involves standardized scripts and support workflows designs at headquarters based on customers' feedback from US market.
Okay, ma'am. Fourth question is, how do cultural communication styles influence stakeholder engagement in CSR efforts, and what approach have you used to bridge communication gaps?
In my experience, bridging these gaps starts with cultural awareness and adaptability. One approach I was tolerating communication styles based on stakeholders' background. For instance, with client from East Asia, I slow down the conversation pace, use of formal titles, and focus on listening and context building before diving into solutions. Meanwhile, with Western clients, I was more direct and goal oriented.
Challenges in cross-cultural businesses. Have you faced challenges in gaining community trust due to cultural misunderstanding in CSR project? If so, how did you overcome them?
I've definitely encountered challenges in gaining community trust due to cultural misunderstandings during customers' representatives situations. One experience that stand out was while supporting a new product rollout in region where English wasn't the primary language and where cultural values place and high emphasis or formality, patience, and of course relationship building.
Thank you so much, ma'am.